Head, no. Ow. Okay. Okay, it's me. I got right here. This is a custom laundry. Check out this laundry though. So all of this is just a bunch of clothes. Okay, yeah. I got some here in front of the fan. Some shoes, bike pants, and a hoodie. And then hanging some trousers and cotton shirt and socks. Yeah. To wash it, we have like some soap here. And okay, so this was already, I finished drying these. These are ready to wear. This, I was just biking around earlier this morning. I went to a job interview. Like I go to work at the Target store. Maybe I made sure I washed this really well, so it's clean. It's nice laundry, good soap. What I did to wash these clothes, I got down here in the bathtub and I stomped on it with my boots on and then just rinsed the water clear until the water was clear. It took me all night. That's how dirty these clothes were. It was such hard work. I've already ran out of toilet paper. Okay. Alright. Then later today, you know what's good. I ain't even gotta say. It's some salmon soup. We got a lot of garlic seasonings here. This is the garlic. I got started on this. Subscribe to my channel, but it's me, Moist. Bye. Hey.